So now let's do some examples where we use the derivative to talk about tangent lines. So in this so here we're given f of x equals x cubed minus 6x squared minus 1, and we're asked to find the equation of the line tangent to the graph of f at the point 231. So remember that when we've talked about this before, I've recommended you using the point slope form of the equation of the line. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So what we need is the slope and a point. Well, I've given you the point. The point has coordinates 2, 31. So we'll put the 2 in for x, 1, and the 31 in for y1. Now, if I had not given you the 31, I hope you know how you would have found the 31. I substituted 2 in for x here, and f of 2 was 31. All right, the final part we need for this question is the slope. And to find the slope, we need the derivative. So let's see how the derivative is going to look. F prime of x is, 3x squared? And then 6 times 2x to the first, which would be 12x. And then the derivative of minus 1 is 0. And so the derivative is 3x squared plus 12x. We need the derivative at x equals 2. So the slope is f prime of 2, which would be 3 times 2 squared is 3 times 4 is 12, plus 12 times 2 is 24. I believe we're going to get 36. And so the equation of the tangent line is y minus 31 equals 36 times x minus 2. If you wish to solve that for y, go right ahead. I have no problem with that at all. In the interest of time, though, I will pass on that right now. Let's go on to the second example and find the x-coordinates of every point where the graph of f has a horizontal tangent line. All right, so the key here is the phrase horizontal tangent line. A line that is horizontal has a slope of 0. So we want to know all the places where the slope of our function is 0. In other words, we need to find all the places where the derivative is 0. Well, let's set the derivative equal to 0 and solve. That shouldn't be too bad. There's a common factor of 3x, and that leaves, x plus 4, I think, equals 0. Set each of these factors to 0. That's going to give us, x equals 0. Let me move my camera. X equals 0 and x equals negative 4. Let's see, I asked you only for the x coordinates. If I wanted the y coordinates, you would take these values of x and substitute them into f of x. Not the derivative, but the function f of x.